Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can log out of your Spotify account, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out of your Spotify account, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Spotify. And after opening your Spotify, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to go to Settings and Privacy. And once you're on Settings, I want you to scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the Log Out button, so just tap it to log out your account. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Spotify account will now be logged out. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.